Welcome back to Vegas. This is Seeking Vegas Sunrise, and this is our first time staying at the Fontainebleau, the Gold King Mountain View Room. As you enter the room, you have full control panels for all of the lighting, drapes, and shears in the room, as well as the privacy and service buttons. Directly to your left is the spacious bathroom. There's a stand-up shower, luxurious shower and bath products, and a very strong shower head with a lot of water pressure. The toilet has a separate door, and there's a huge sink with just a little bit of counter space, but plenty of storage space for all of your makeup and hair products. There's also a huge soaking tub, perfect for relaxing after a long day walking the strip. You have a floor-length mirror in the hallway. And as you enter the room, you have a couch, some wonderful artwork, and a super comfortable bed. You also have full control panels and plenty of places to charge your electronics right next to the bed. The room features a closet with a luggage rack, slippers and bathrobes, and a steamer for your clothes. There's plenty of snacks available and drinks in the minibar. There's a QR code to check on pricing, a block that allows you to order room service, there's cocktail supplies, and there's actually an extra fridge for drinks or to store your leftovers. By the window, you have an incredible view, but you also have 2 chairs and a table. And the view from this room is absolutely incredible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.